the specimen of uterus with urinary bladder in front and rectum behind. The position of uterus is antiverted, tilting on the superior surface of urinary bladder like this. The area between urinary bladder and uterus, this is the vesico-uterine pouch. The peritoneum is reflected, then it goes posteriorly and it gets reflected over the rectum. So this is the dependent area. You can see this is the recto-uterine pouch of Douglas, the most dependent area of the pelvic cavity. This part of uterus which is visible over here is the fundus. So this is the part of body that is fundus above the attachment of the fallopian tube. This is the body of the uterus and below that is the cervix of the uterus. In the same specimen with the uterus, what we can see is the fallopian tube. This is the fimbriated end of the fallopian tube, and posteriorly what we can see is the ovary. So this is how the position, anatomical position of the uterus. It is antiverted and antiflexed, and the ovaries will be posteriorly in this area which is called as broad ligament. So broad ligament is the fold of peritoneum extending from lateral border of uterus towards the lateral pelvic wall. The parts of broad ligament which are visible, which are covering the fallopian tube and suspending the fallopian tube, this is mesosalpinx. Suspending the ovary, this fold is meso-ovarian, and this is the mesometrium. These are the parts of broad ligament. Then the ovary has two ligaments, laterally and medially. So from medial pole towards uterus, this is the ovarian ligament. From lateral pole is the suspensory ligament of ovary. From antero-inferior aspect of fallopian tube, attachment of fallopian tube, you can see this fold. This is the round ligament of uterus. This is the round ligament of uterus. This is the mesosalpinx. This is meso-ovarian, and the rest of it is the mesometrium. What else you can see is the opening of cervix, this one, into the vagina. So the cervix is covered by vagina. So this is the supravaginal part of the cervix, and the opening is also seen, opening of cervix into vagina. This is the external os. So that is about the uterus.